Looking to save money on your next GoDaddy purchase? Whether you're buying a new domain, web hosting, or professional email, getting a promo code can make a big difference, and the process is super easy. The best place to start is Google. Open your browser, head to the Google homepage, and in the search bar, type Coupon Follow GoDaddy. Coupon Follow is a trusted site that tracks real-time coupon codes for tons of online stores, including GoDaddy. After hitting enter, look for the result titled Coupon Follow Coupon Codes in Real Time and click on it. Once you're on the Coupon Follow website, go to the search bar at the top and type GoDaddy. This instantly filters the page so you'll only see deals related to GoDaddy, saving you time and scrolling. Now you'll see a list of all the latest promo codes and active offers. Next to each deal, you'll find a Show Coupon Code button. Click on it, and the code will be revealed. Go ahead and copy the code to your clipboard. That way, you won't forget it later. Now, open GoDaddy.com and add the products or services you want to your cart. When you reach the checkout page, look for the promo or discount code field. Paste the code you copied earlier, and you'll instantly see your savings applied. And that's it. You've just used a simple, reliable method to find GoDaddy promo codes anytime you shop. One quick tip: offers change frequently, so always check for the latest deals before you make a purchase. Happy saving and enjoy your discounted GoDaddy services.